So in this video, I want to show you exactly what to do with this assignment. This is for Tuesday, March 9th. For this assignment, I'm going to have you guys watch a virtual campus tour video that Kerman High School has already put together. It's a drone video. It's about 16 minutes long, and you can get to it by clicking on this heart right there. That link will open up the YouTube video for the virtual Kerman High School tour. And while that video is playing, your job is going to be to find each one of your 7 classrooms. So these numbers over here, 1 through 7, can be dragged around and dropped in different places on your map. I need you to find where each of your classes are located: 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th. So let's say that you have me first period. Well, my classroom's all the way over here in the new building. And then let's say, oh, I don't know, you have Miss Via for 2nd period. And then on through, maybe you have Jim for 3rd. Maybe you have a math class for 4th. Who knows, an ag class for 5th, and I'll just fill these out. And if you have a lot of classes in the same basic area, that's okay. They can sit on top of each other too. That's no problem. So for example, Senor Mendoza is right beneath me. If you have him for Spanish, then maybe that needs to be right next to mine, like that. Once you have all of your classes listed out where they need to be on campus, then I want you to present that slide. When you present that slide, please take a screenshot of it and then save that screenshot to your Chromebook or to your phone, or print it out or something, so that you have a map that tells you exactly where to go for each one of your class periods. And when it's time to turn this assignment in, what you're going to turn in is this Google slideshow, not your screenshot. You have some more maps that might be of some use. The next one is the bottom floor, the first floor of the new building. So here's the main office over here. This is where you would walk in. And then a whole bunch of language arts or foreign language classes through here. Here's the top floor of the new building. All these fun little rooms right here are science. I am in 206, way back here. You also have a little more close look at the multi-purpose room and the music room and the gym and the locker rooms, as well as some of the utility and ag classes and shop classes back by the ag section. So when you get this assignment done, you will turn in the Google slideshow, and that is that. Make sure you ask me any questions that you might have.